Bigay ng isang word na feel mo during the pre-youth camp.
I'm happy.
Oh, happy. How about lesson?
Remember.
Oh, remember what?
Remember um remember the love of Jesus. From the altar.
Oh, blessing from the other. And ano yung feeling mo anong umattend ka ng pre-youth camp?
Very happy.
Oh, very happy.
Hindi pa nagkararag.
O pa nagkararag. Namit iti narik nam iti pre-youth camp. Makaturturog. Ngem?
Nakaragragsak.
Okay, nakaragragsak. Okay, sleep.
Masaya.
O masaya. Lesson.
Aji first love fire.
O first love fire.
Lesson yung how to serve God.
O how to serve God. And paano mo i-serve yung God?
I-serve si God to you with all your heart.
Ano tarik na?
So much happy.
Ano yung na-feel mo nung pre-youth camp?
Happy.
Happy. Okay. Anamit iti lesson.
Agar ito tapanan natin. Aji family nga agbalin nga blessing.
Okay, agbal nga blessing. Kleng. Feeling about the pre-youth camp.
Happy and enjoy.
Oh, happy and enjoy. About the lesson.
Lesson, repeat.
Repeat what?
Nyamit niya.
Ano, di ulitin tayo. Siyempre, ulitin, Jai.
Aji pinag-sintintingan.
Okay. Kaya naman kayo. Learn me.
Ay, Sham. Hi.
Sige na.
Anadi.
Digital pasin bumaban.
Anong first question?
Feeling. Ano yung feeling sa pre-youth camp?
Feeling madami. Mixed emotions.
Mixed emotions. About the lesson.
Lesson sa games na lang tayo.
Sige.
Go lang ng go, ganun.
Okay. cut. Giya pa, hindi duman Cut. Feeling.
Happy.
Wag naman Sige. Yung lesson.
Blessing from God.
Blessing from God. Okay.